Buddy, and that's engine 38 all the way down there, and that's too far. I don't know why I got my bike, but I know I'm fucking running. There we go. God damn. Oh shit, where'd he go? Wasn't really nothing. Yeah, he turned the corner. Huh?
No, I'm talking about phone.
Oh. Oh, this is 38. I think it was, might have been a fire. I already done. It had to be something. I think it was just a false alarm call. But that was a false alarm. So, let's get back to my house. Got school in the morning. Gotta go to football practice after that. I'm tired, bro. Man, Lord. Got a game Friday. Fuck, I already know I'm gonna get my ass chopped real hard. I'm fucking tired. Just that fucking practice today, man. I'm fucking tired as a mother. I'm tired. I can't even walk, y'all. I can't even walk, y'all. I'm walking slow. I'm so tired. Alright. So, see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, so I'll go to football practice. So, see you guys tomorrow. And I hope I catch an engine. So, see you guys tomorrow.